Here's a typical question shows up on the Algebra 2 exam. It's a third-degree polynomial with roots given, -6 and 3 minus 2i are the two of the roots. They're asking what the function is. Well, let's do a quick analysis and solve this one. The analysis looks something like this. Number 1, roots where complex usually show up in conjugate pairs. That means the real part is the same and the conjugate, the complex part, the imaginary part is plus and minus. So that's one little clue here. Second one is this. It's if a third degree polynomial we were given, then the form looks like something like this in a factored form. X minus root 1 times x minus root 2 times x root minus 3. As you can see, this x and x appears 3 times. The degree of the x term matches the degree of the polynomial. Okay, so from here it's pretty easy. We're going to just substitute in all the roots and simplify, get our function. All right, let's write up the solution. All right, here's our solution. Taking the hints from the analysis, there's another unspoken root, which is conjugate pair to the one that's given. Step 2, we're going to say fx, since the roots are given, it's degree of 3, x minus root 1 minus root 2 minus root 3. Now, what you need to be careful is put in this form exactly. It's x minus the root. Okay, so a lot of students say, well, this is x minus 6. No, it's x minus the root, which is minus 6, and that becomes x plus 6. Same thing for the two conjugate pairs. Now, there's a little trick over here. If you don't see it, it's no big deal. But if you do see it on the exam, it does save you quite a bit of time. The trick is this, recognizing x minus 3 and x minus 3 is the same. And here I have a plus 2i and minus 2i. Using the factor that difference square says a minus b is equal to a plus b times a minus b, I can just say x minus 3 is my a and 2i is my b. And simplify, opening up over here, I have x squared minus 6x plus 13. Now this 2i squared is minus 4. All right, and now all I have to do is multiply each one out using the FOIL, and here's the final answer. Well, I hope this helps. Hi, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Please do me a favor, hit a like button or comment, share. Together we can make math easy again. Have a confident day.